मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा।
Subscribe now.
Yeah. Wait, wait. Yay!
Hey Tapu, you will be late for school.
The clock's hands can be late, but not Tuppo. Huh? Ha! Ha! Oh! Ah! Ah!
Oh wow, Tapula! Very good, very good. You are my dear son.
Mom, where is my uniform?
Oh, the uniform has become that.
Lost?
Oh no. It's what happens when it gets wet in the rain.
Oh, cold.
Oh no. That.
I wish the uniform could also catch a cold. Then I would make it wet every day.
Yes, that's it. Wet.
The uniform is wet. Yes, the uniform hasn't dried. Tappu has become happy.
Huh?
Yeah. Gogi, Goli, Sonu, Pinko, come here quickly.
Hey, what happened, Tapu?
The uniform didn't dry. Friends, come down to play.
Huh?
Yay!
Let's go!
Let's go, Goli. Your turn from yesterday is still pending. Take it quickly.
Come on, hide quickly. 1, 2, 3. I know someone is hiding here. I will catch them now. Oh.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, sorry, uncle. I thought you were Goli.
Do I look like a goalie to you?
Where did they all go?
Uncle, 1 minute. Get up. Oh, uncle, please get up.
Hey, move aside. You can't do this. Come on, uncle.
I'll have to come back after changing my shirt. Why didn't you guys go to school?
The uniform didn't dry. That's why. No uniform means no school.
No school? Big problem. The kids will play all day, which means it's a big problem. Something has to be done.
Do you know?
Tapu's father, look at this. Such a big fan.
Look, I brought this super fan from the office.
The electricity bill will be very high, Iyer. I mean, will the society have to pay for it?
Hey, Ayerji, This is what is yours to dry hair after bathing. Isn't it that? Hair dryer.
Hey.
Oh no, Dayaji. I have brought this to dry everyone's clothes. If we turn it from an upward angle, everyone's clothes will dry. I will show you a demo right now.
Wow! Oh, sorry, Jetha. This is a bit too powerful. This fan will even dry the clouds above by putting on the brakes. Oh, come on, Jetha. The tension of drying the clothes is gone. Let's go home.
Tappu Sena will test this fan. Come on, Goli. Let's start.
This is a lot of fun.
Yes. Should we race? Yes. Let's do it, Goli.
Hey, Goli, even such a strong wind couldn't get past you.
Oh, what is this? Why do I always lose? I will put it on full power now. See, I defeated you. Where did he go?
He saved me. I have reached the top.
What happened to this fan?
Now I have to fix it myself.
Oh.
Hey, run, Tappu Sena!
Hey? Who dropped this big fan here?
Oh, Popat uncle, no!
Who's it? Who's it? I will shut the work. Hey, how did Popatal start flying?
Today is a very good day. Feeling very calm and light.
Hey, they all started flying. Come on, let's all fly too.
Hey, Tappu, what have you people done?
Hey, Mom, stop!
Tappu's father. Tappu, wait. I'm also coming.
Wow, Bidi uncle, what a cap you are wearing. Huh? Oh! 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 Oh!
Where did this carrot come from?
Oh wow, fruits! I will eat them all. Mom, you look just like a superheroine.
Really? So how about this pose? Ah.
Hey, hey there, what are you doing?
Oh, fan. Will this fan stop or not?
Dad, hold my hand. Yeah.
Taco's done.
Hey, there.
Oh, Jethaji, you are here?
You should come too, you know. I mean, do something, Babita ji.
Huh? 1 minute, Jethaji. I will help you.
Hey, what's all this happening? It seems I'll have to turn off the fan myself. Hey, my hat flew away. Hey, my stick.
Oh, Dad, don't do all this at your age.
Keep quiet, Jetha. Oh, my glasses. Hey, now I can't see anything at all.
Hey, what happened? I can't see anything.
Jetha!
Hey, Ayyar, this is your fan, isn't it, man? Hit the brakes, Ayyar! Hit the brakes!
Ayyo, the fan's knob is broken because it has gone into super drive mode.
Oh my God, my dhoti! My dhoti!
Grandpa, take this.
I can see clearly now. Hey!
Oh, Bhide! Wait, I'm coming to get you! Bhide has left! Now I will help Uncle. Hello? Uncle!
Hey, leave it!
Dad!
Dad!
Come on, Grandpa. You're back again.
Hey, Tapu, now you do something. Hey, I'm feeling dizzy.
Idea! Dad, we should all try to hold hands. I saw this on TV.
Hey, Tapu, are we going to play Ringa Ringa here by holding hands?
Yes, I've also seen this on TV. Everyone holds hands while skydiving.
Okay, yes. Babita ji is right. We should all hold hands. Come on, Babita ji, come on.
Hey, my Tapuda said the same thing.
Yes, Daya.
Thank you, Iyer.
No! Yes, come on.
Hey, Daya, what are you doing?
Listen, when I spin around, I feel like doing Garba. Ayyapji, please bring this sand during Navratri as well. Then we will play Garba in the air. It will be fun. Hello.
Hey, Daya, have mercy on me. Quiet, be quiet. Will we reach down before Navratri?
Oh, yes, Jetha. What's the plan to go down now?
Hey, the ones who took us up must have some plan, right?
Dad, I have an idea. School uniform.
Hey, Tapu, you never want to go to school and now you want to go?
No, Dad. If we roll out that wet uniform
Hey.
and hit the fan with it, the fan will stop.
But this will damage the fan.
Hey, we are all hanging in the air here. You are worried about the fan.
Okay. Throw the clothes.
Hey, this idea is working.
Yes. If it's working, then put some more clothes so we'll get down faster.
Oh no! Vinay!
Oh, Vinay, no!
Hello.
The world has been shaken.
Hey, Popat Uncle, you look just like a parrot.
Tapu?
Listen, why are you always after our son Tapu's dad? My Tapu has saved all of our lives.
Oh, Tapu, what an idea. Wow, you are a hero.
After all, he's my son. Well done, Tapu. It's good.
What's good about it? I say send all these children to school as soon as possible.
Correct. They'll go to school tomorrow. Anyways, everyone's uniform must have dried up.
Go. Pick up your respective uniforms. Go.
Dad, no school for a day or two.
But why?
The uniform is torn. No uniform, no school. Come on, friends, let's play.
My Tapuda.
Be careful, Mabuji. Hey, Shah Rukh Khan, you handle yours.
No, I won't drink it.
Tapu dear, You have to drink the milk. Please wait.
No, Mom.
Here, Jethia, catch him. Hey, got him.
Here you go, Bapuji.
Huh?
What is this, Bapuji? He ran away again.
Huh? Got him.
No.
Here, take this, Jethia. Ah, Bapuji. Yeah. Huh? Hey, why are you drinking milk? Tapu just ran away. Hey?
I got him.
Hey, Tapula, drinking milk gives you strength.
Gogi, you? And Sonu, you? Both of you? Unbelievable. Today again the entire Tapu Sena was forced to drink milk.
Yuck. We don't like drinking milk at all.
Then why do our parents force us to drink milk?
Because milk comes to the house, that's why.
Idea! From tomorrow, no milk will come to our homes.
Impossible, Tapu.
Don't underestimate Tapu.
Aha!
Yay, Tapu Sena!
Gives me milk, my Buffy, and with a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk with a dark face and red hair.
Huh?
Ah.
Huh?
Where did the lion's roar come from?
Go, my dear lime, go!
Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! What is this? Oh, it's just a dog.
Babuji, today also we have to make Tapu Sena drink milk somehow. Yes, Jethia. Oh, he's coming.
Attention! Tapu is ready! I will drink milk, drink milk! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Mommy! Give me milk!
Tapu, are you feeling all right?
Yes, Papa, I'm perfectly fine. What happened? Huh?
Eh? Because today you are asking for the milk to drink by yourself, son.
Grandpa says that drinking milk gives you strength.
Jaya, bring the milk.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey.
Here it is. The milk.
Huh?
Here, give it quickly.
Oh, the milk hasn't come today.
What? Then what is there in the glass?
It's empty.
I'm saved.
Huh? Then why are you roaming around with an empty glass?
Tapu's father, if you don't see the empty glass, how will you know that the milk hasn't arrived today?
Oh.
Mom, I really felt like drinking milk today. The milk didn't come today. Let's go play. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Buffy gives me milk, a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk. Huh?
Friends, today our wolf will scare away Uncle Bunsy. Huh?
Huh? Moti! Hey, Moti, my son!
Our plan has failed. Uncle Bunsy turned out to be very smart.
Hey! Hey!
He brought a dog even bigger than our dog.
La 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 la. Moti! Hey, Moti!
This plan of ours has failed, Tappu. We will have to drink milk again today.
To solve the problem, we must go to the root of the problem. Let's go to Uncle Bunsy's stable.
Hey, Hadia! I love Buffy more than my own children. You also take good care of her, understand? I will return from the village by tomorrow evening, okay?
You go without worry, master. I will take good care of her. Ah.
Did you hear that? Uncle Bunsy is going to the village.
Tomorrow we will kidnap Buffy and take her away.
Yes, if the bamboo's gone, the flute can't play.
What does that mean, Sonu?
It means no buffalo, so no milk.
Yes.
Bathe Buffy every day and don't tie her up. Buffy doesn't like to be tied up.
She's a strange buffalo.
And yes, never call Buffy a buffalo or she will get annoyed.
You should have told me
This first, Master.
Oh my goodness, I won't spare you. I am telling you. My name is Harya. Harya. Did you hear me or not, you buffalo? Oh no, she's chasing me.
Huh?
Buffy. Dear Buffy. Oh, how lovely you are. Now the fun will begin. You are throwing me around a lot, huh? Now try throwing me, you black buffalo. Huh? Say Buffy. Don't say buffalo. If I don't call a buffalo, what else should I call it, huh?
Oh no, he tied Buffy up. Kapu, now how will we kidnap Buffy?
Now I will neither bathe you, nor I will give you anything to eat. And I will not untie you also. Just stay tied up here, hungry and thirsty, you damn buffalo.
Friends, we shouldn't kidnap Buffy. We should help her. Yes, but Harya will catch us. Oh, don't underestimate Tapu. Yeah.
Huh? Oh no, all the milk is spilled. What do I do now? What happened? How did my milk spill? Oh no. Huh?
Hey, how did she get free? Kids, where did these kids come from?
Hey, wait! Where are you running? Hey,
Hey, somebody help me! Hey, thank you, Buffy.
You killed me. First, let me tie up this buffalo very nicely. Then I'll teach you all a proper lesson. You devilish kids! Huh? Oh my God, she threw me down again. Today I will not spare you, you buffalo.
Hey, look there! Arya is running after Buffy to beat her up.
Come on, let's run away from here.
No, friends. We have to save Buffy. Let's go. No.
Help!
Stop! You can't hit Buffy.
Huh? After Buffy, it's your turn now. You devilish kids. No!
Take this.
Come on, get out of here. Hey, Gogi, what are you doing? Let's go. Oh man, it's so hot today. Yes, Tapu. Buffy must be feeling very hot too. I hope she doesn't get sick. We should give Buffy a bath.
But how will they bring so much of water?
We can't bring the water here, but we can take Buffy to the water, right? Hey,
Yes.
that's a great idea. Let's go.
Oh no, sorry sir.
Hey, sir, did Buffy go out here?
Yes, but it's been while since she has went out.
How long?
About 5-6 hours.
What? 5-6 hours?
But Buffy left the stable 2 hours ago.
Here it has been gone for 5-6 hours. The heat has made things terrible.
Exactly which Buffy are you talking about? I am talking about Bansi Kaka's Buffy.
Buffy is Buffy. What's the difference between its Bansi Kakas or Pinchu Kakas? Now look, the electricity doesn't come, but how high the bill is.
Here I am talking about Buffy. I
Eh?
am talking about the buffalo named Buffy.
No, Buffy, stop! Stop!
Have you seen any buffalo passing by here?
I haven't seen a buffalo leaving, but I have definitely seen a buffalo coming.
Meaning?
Oh, Buffy! Wait. First, let me check if there are any guards around. Yeah!
Teppo, you guys are coming this way.
Oh no! Hey Buffy, come on, hurry up! Come on!
Quickly hit this buffalo with sticks and shoo it away.
Hey, Tapu.
Wipe up properly. Buffy might catch a cold.
So the buffalo is tied up, and here goes her fans. Where are you running? Oh, Master, these mischievous children have kidnapped Buffy.
Don't you lie, Haria. I have heard everything. You have troubled my Buffy a lot, understood? I know these children have saved my Buffy's life.
Well done, Tapusina.
You have all done a wonderful job, kids.
Haria, I will not spare you.
Stay away, Master, or else I won't spare you either.
This buffalo, with the help of these kids,
Have beaten me badly. I won't spare them.
chutney out of you.
No, Sodi uncle. This is our fight. This is a matter of Tapusina's honor.
Huh?
Yes, yes, you can do this, kids.
What's this? They are all defeated in one go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh dear, my goodness.
Hey, haven't you had milk, huh? Eh? Huh?
Uncle, don't underestimate Tapusina.
For forgive me, forgive me, please forgive me.
I have made a mistake, kids.
Did you see, Tapuda, how much power milk has, huh?
Yes, Grandpa. The entire Tapusina will drink milk every day.
Yes, Grandpa.
Promise.